Thiago. What are we doing? Dinner. What are we doing for dinner? You're gonna fix Hoover Dam. Go see what we're gonna fix then. Hi baby, where you go? Oh, where you going?
We're actually gonna go to the
Phone with that hammer. Uh-oh. Broken phone alert.
Wait, Mommy. Mommy, your friend put it so that we can stick to the car.
Let's check it out then.
But you have to take this thing off.
Okay. Hi baby.
Hello.
Say bye.
In the car.
One more time?
Huh?
One more time.
We'll see you when we'll get in the car.
Do you like that?
We'll see you when we get in the car.
Do you like that, Thiago, that you were looking at? Were you looking at this? Or are you like, what is that? What did mommy do there?
Yeah.
What are you thinking about it?
I'm thinking about the... I can't even...
Careful. It's going to break. It's all glass.
We should put it somewhere else. We should put it right here.
Well, we don't have a lot of space. We don't have shelving on the walls or anything.
We need to put it right here.
Okay, we gotta go. Let's go. Bye.
We'll see you when we get in the car.
Okay, bye.
Hi guys, we're going to Hoover Dam. As you remember, I said I'll see you in the next one. I said I'll see you in the car. So we're in the car right now. So yeah.
It's gonna take about 30 to 45 minutes to get to Hoover Dam. And what are you doing at Hoover Dam, Thiago?
We're gonna go build some electricity.
We're gonna go see how electricity is made. Hi, baby. Are you in the video too? Yeah. You're gonna go see how electricity is made at Hoover Dam.
And we can watch TV on
You know
the
what?
phone.
We should go on the other, out the other way. But we're just gonna go this way now.
Well, Mommy, and we can watch TV on the phone.
Say hola to Doña Estela, because she's in the video too. Okay, mi amor, we'll see you when we get there.
No.
You're just gonna stay on?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna clip it so we can listen to some music and I can get in driving directions.
And I can watch TV.
We don't need to watch TV in the car, Thiago.
I want to watch TV.
Okay, bye. See you in a little bit.
This is gonna be a short.
Hoover Dam, but right now we're just driving it down to the down into the canyon where the Hoover Dam is and the lake. And
Can we go climbing up the mountain up here?
not today, but one day we can. Yeah, we're not.
Mommy, I want to go to one of those mountains far away.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Remember where we used to go climbing up the mountain?
Yeah.
That's where I want to go climbing up the mountains forever.
Really?
Yeah. Hello guys, we're in Arizona. Hi guys, we're in Arizona.
Okay, Mommy needs to turn around because she wasn't paying attention and got lost.
Yeah, we went to Arizona.
So we are turning around. We just slightly went over the border. We're gonna go here. we're going to Hoover Dam. So we're gonna turn right here because we went around. You'll see there's a security checkpoint. There's the signs to Hoover Dam. Lake Mead in Boulder City. There's a cool little brewery in Boulder City.
Mommy, I think I know what it's
So
called.
Hoover Dam visitors welcome, 5 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Mommy, I
This is a
think I-
dangerous road, so we're gonna get off. I don't know, you tell me.
What
We can
is
go to
your-
the Lakeview Overlook when we get back.
Mommy, what
So
is
we're gonna get to the checkpoint right now.
Mommy, what is your biggest fear?
Oh, my biggest fear. What is my biggest fear? My biggest fear is probably that one of you get really hurt or something really bad happens to you guys. And then I would feel really guilty and horrible. So this is coming into Hoover Dam. There's a security checkpoint, of course, because
Well, Mommy,
it's a very important national.
Mommy, my biggest fear.
National resource.
Mommy, my biggest fear
What's your biggest fear, Thiago?
is hard bacon.
Hard bacon? Wow. Why is that your biggest fear?
I don't like it.
Do you like bacon?
Yeah, I love bacon.
You
but
love
not,
bacon?
Yeah, but not hard.
Okay, well let's see what we're doing here.
Mommy, can you roll down my window?
Sure.
Mommy, roll my window down.
Okay, babies.
No, I can go. Mommy, we're gonna have a picnic on the rocks.
Yeah, do you want to say hi to the guys? Say howdy. You want to give them one of your cards? I think we took them all out. I don't think we even have it. Where's the backpack? It would be in the front. I meant to grab some. So we're coming into Hoover Dam. Look at the doggy. Hi.
Any guns or drones in the vehicle today?
Nope.
You're going to stay to the left. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, that's kind of a good question to ask if there are any guns. But
Welcome to Hoover Dam.
why can't we take the drone?
Hoover Dam is a short drive from Las Vegas. It's about 30 minutes away,
But Mommy,
and it's right by Lake Mead
Mommy,
in Boulder City.
Mommy,
Yes, Thiago?
why can't we bring any drones, but we cannot bring guns?
You
Why
can't
can't-
bring drones or guns to Hoover Dam because it is a very important national resource where we produce a lot of electricity for the southwestern region of the United States, as well as water for the southwest region.
Yes. Ariella, everything is gonna be okay. It's just really windy. We're going
So this is the bridge scenic view right here, but we're gonna go learn about how electricity is made. And if we have time, which I don't know that we will because Doña Estela needs to do something, we'll go visit the bridge. Plus Ariella's already crying. So we'll be back when we get to the museum, guys. Hey guys, we're going in. We're gonna park the car and we're gonna go into the museum. Ariella.
Hello.
Thiago.
Hi guys, we're back at Super Mario World.
No, we're not.
Yes, we
Where are we, Thiago?
at Hoover Dam.
What are you doing today?
We're gonna
Well, this is another video, so it's for different people.
We're gonna go to Hoover Dam.
Well, we're at Hoover Dam, and what are you doing at Hoover Dam?
We're gonna go see the electricity.
We're gonna learn how electricity is produced today. ¿Verdad, Doña Estela? Yeah. Vamos a ver cómo se produce la electricidad.
Oh, sí.
Wow.
Mama.
Are you happy, baby?
Mommy, go.
I can't go because we're still waiting on Colorado in front of us. Okay, well, we're gonna learn how electricity is produced today at Hoover Dam. So we'll see you inside.
Yep.
Bye. So we just got out of the car, right, Thiago?
Yeah.
And now you're gonna go inside? Okay. So let's get going inside, little babies. Vamos? Is my car all broken?
Huh?
Bonito. Sí, si quieres puede.
I want to see.
Let's go see you inside.
We're gonna go down.
Where are we going? Down or up? Do you think that the dam is up or down?
Down.
Alrighty, well that's your answer, buddy. It's over here, Thiago, look.
I can smell you.
Over here, you guys.
I can smell the dam already.
Smell it.
I can smell the dam water.
Oh, I think. Okay, it's over here. No. ¿Dónde es?
¿Qué buscas?
Porque ahí dice que está cerrado. ¿El Visitor Center? Porque no ves que ahí. Oh, allá está, ¿ves? Allá es. ¿Vamos?
Where's my hat?
I don't know. Did you not grab it?
I think I forgot.
You forgot your hat.
Mommy. Mommy.
What? Thiago, I'm sorry. We're going to go inside right now. The Visitor Center is that building right there. Yeah, it's hot. I told you it was going to be hot. But we're going to go inside right now.
I forgot my hat.
What would you like me to do about it?
Can you buy me a hat here?
When we go to the gift shop, it's possible. Not if you act that way, screaming at me.
I want to go to the gift shop.
After we're done with the tour. Are you happy, little babies?
I don't want to go on the tour.
I thought you wanted to know how electricity was made, Thiago.
I do, but
Well, how do you think you're going to learn that if you don't go on a tour?
you're not going on a tour.
All right, we'll see you in the building. It's too hot.
Mommy,
Here we're in the elevator. Press the TL, Thiago. Yeah.
This TL.
Yeah.
So you said
PL and TL. Who knows what it stands for? Pavilion and I don't know. No idea. Plaza, terrace, I have no idea.
I don't even know where I'm going. I just wanted to get out of the heat.
Yeah, the visitor center. You gotta pay to go in
Okay.
there though.
Oh, I have a ticket.
That's good.
I think.
But I mean, they might just let you hang out somewhere without, where you
Yeah.
buy the tickets. Thank you.
Well, hello.
Hello. So we're gonna go through the security checkpoint. What, baby?
what if we're already in the visitor center?
We are in the visitor center. This is the security checkpoint for the visitor center.
Oh, Mommy.
Yes, baby?
Why is there rocks facing into the wall?
Yeah, because this is a dam and it was built in a canyon.
So can we not break the wall?
Can we what?
Can we not break the wall?
We cannot break the wall. You're wearing a hat that says Queen on it because it's mommy's. Okay, so what are you doing? We're here inside. I guess right here, baby. Hello.
Want to go to tour today?
Yeah. Can we do the one that, I don't know if you guys have it, but the one that's like the bigger tour, the one
So
that,
that would be the dam tour. Right
Yeah.
now, for 4 people, I have one starting at 1:30, and it's an hour-long tour. It's the all-inclusive one, but we're sold out until 1:30.
and then what does that do?
So that takes you down 500 feet. You see the penstock pipes and the turbines. That's for both of them. And then the dam tour gives you 2 additional stops to walk through the tunnels. You see an antique staircase and an air vent looking out to the Colorado River.
Okay, so can we do the guided power plant tour today?
Yeah, that one starts every 15 minutes and it's 30-minute guided tour. How old are the kids?
She's 2 and he's 5.
2, 5, and 2 adults?
Yeah. Sí, porque el otro a la 1:30 después. No. So this is the guided power plant tour. You walk me through that though. Do you mind if I do that? You want to learn how to we've made, right, Thiago? No, that's probably the one, right? Okay. So it's $40. $40. Can I do Apple Pay?
Yes.
Okay. Apple Pay. Welcome to Hoover Dam. Okay, baby.
The tour guides in blue get you guys all set.
Cool. Awesome. Tickets. You're gonna carry them, baby? Thank you.
Ten tú este es tuyo, este es tuyo, este es tuyo. Ven.
All right. Let's go wait in line again. Thank you. Want to get one of these? Okay, let's keep going, baby. Thank you.
Everyone's last chance now for restrooms or water.
You need to go to the restroom?
Other than that,
Restroom?
the line there. And that's
Si queremos ir al baño y tomar agua,
¿Vos querés ir al baño? Nadie. So we're gonna go to line. Nobody needs the restroom. Last stop for the restroom.
It's a map.
It's a map. Cool. So we're gonna
Auntie?
get in line for the
Ma,
theater.
Auntie?
Yeah, we're gonna watch a movie, baby.
Auntie?
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna watch a movie. We're
Why
gonna
are
watch a 10-minute movie about the dam. Alrighty.
I don't want to watch a 10-minute movie. Is it going to take long?
10 minutes. That's how long it's gonna take. 10 minutes.
But is it going to take long? It's 10 minutes long.
10 minutes is 10 minutes.
How long is that? Tell me
How should I tell you?
how long it is.
It's 600 seconds.
That's too long.
That's what it is. It's called patience. Waiting is not easy, and plus it's supposed to be entertaining and educational.
Why is it supposed to be entertaining?
It was like shaking.
Oh, the Kung Fu ride. She thinks,
She thinks it's gonna start shaking again. She's traumatized.
yeah, she thinks.
already seeking ways to tame the Colorado through the engineering skills of the Bureau of Reclamation. But with 7 states disputing how much of the river's water each could claim, construction of a dam, any dam, was only a dream. But in 1921, Secretary of Commerce Herbert Hoover joined representatives from the 7 states to seek out a solution to equal water rights. Hoover proposed to simply divide the area into a lower and upper basin and leave further negotiations to the states within those basins. This compromise paved the way for the Boulder Canyon project to be constructed. And in 1931, the structure that would one day bear Hoover's name began with an explosion. Not only of black powder and dynamite, but one of human tenacity and ingenuity. It was the largest single contract awarded to that time by the federal government. It took the combined resources of 6 companies, forged into a single contracting entity, to undertake the mammoth project. But before the first shovel of earth could be removed, the Colorado River had to be diverted from its timeless path. The key was to cut 2 tunnels through the canyon walls on each side of the river, each 56 feet in diameter and approximately 4,000 feet long. The 4 tunnels took 2 years to complete.
All right, welcome everyone. So my name is Adam. I'm going to be your power plant guy. We're going to be descending 537 feet down into Black Canyon, about a 70-second elevator ride. On the way down, you might feel a little pressure in your ears like being on an airplane. Yawn, pinch your nose, chew gum, helps a little. Get down there, you're going to take us into one of the 4 original diversion tunnels. I'll give you a presentation on the construction of the dam. Come back the elevators, take a short trip up, head to the power plant. You actually like to do a reassemble on one of our units right now, so you can see the inside, basically, the rotor, which is pretty cool. Most of our guests don't get to see that. Get down there, gonna come back the elevators one last time. We'll get you upstairs and be free to explore the rest of the day out here. No major rules, just make sure you stay with me. Children do have to stay by their parents' sides at all times. That is one big rule we have. We're a working power plant. No eating, drinking, or smoking on the tour, but water is definitely encouraged. You do get hot out there. Did they mention picture taking policies at all? Yeah, we don't have any. Take all the damn pictures you want. I think at least one in there. Yeah, just all my friends have Marine said the same thing. Where are you unique?
This way, I guess.
Go in front of me, please.
Why can't we go that
Go
way?
that way. Listen to what the guy's gonna say. Wanna hold my hand, baby? We're on a tour of the dam. There's Doña Estela. Thiago.
Does not smell good.
Yeah. I can't hold your hand, Thiago. Film me.
Hey, perfect.
Can you grab your sister's hand? Look, they're gonna tell us a story in this building right here. Yeah, they're gonna tell us how this works. All right, let's go to the other side. They're gonna tell us a story here. Come here, babies.
Mommy, that looks exactly like the movie.
Yeah, well, it is the movie.
Welcome everyone. So we are actually standing right here. We're inside one of our 4 original diversion tunnels. Each tunnel is 50 feet in diameter finished. They're roughly 4,000 feet long. It took nearly 2 years to blast out of solid bedrock. The initial purpose of the diversion tunnels was to move the river away from the project during construction. It would have been difficult for concrete to move the river. Now to move the river, they put in a coffer dam. There's 2 sections. The upper portion forced the river into the tunnels and around. The lower section stopped the river from backing up into the area. Once they were replaced, they pumped the water out of the area and dug down 135 feet until they hit bedrock. That became the foundation for the dam. When construction started, buckets containing 8 cubic yards of concrete were lowered down from above on an average of about every 78 seconds. That went on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for just about 2 years. Everybody's seen the cement truck, right? Big drum on the back. About the size of the buckets were hanging over these guys' heads. 16 tons of concrete each one. So eventually got pretty scary down there. Near the end of the completion of the dam, they began filling Lake Mead. It's our nation's largest man-made reservoir. To fill the lake, they closed off 3 diversion tunnels. One remained open, that allowed some of the river to continue downstream. Of course, people down the river still needed their water. Now, as the lake began to fill, water started going into our 4 intake towers. When you look out across the lake, you see the things kind of like castle tops. Those are the intakes. Once water started going into them, they closed off that last diversion tunnel. Now they're able to take advantage of all the water being requested downstream and running it directly through both sides of the plant. The goal was to make as much money back as possible and pay off that original loan. There was depression, money was tight, wanted to get the people's money back to work again. It took 50 years, but the loan was finally paid off in full with interest. Everyone was very happy about it. But even today, the way we produce our power keeps us off the tax dollars. We're not funded federal facility. No tax dollars coming. So it's a pretty cool system. We're proud of it. Now, when water goes into those intake towers, it goes into 30-foot diameter penstock pipes. We're standing above one. You can see them down on the side. Each one of these pipes can handle 96,000 gallons of water a second. Just one of them is on a liquid such limit equal under 7 seconds. So that gives you an idea how much water we can move around. It's a lot. Now the pipes reduce in size all the way down to 7 feet diameter. Water spins the turbines at the base of the generators. And it gets released right back into the river. We got 2 other very important pieces of equipment here at the dam, our spillways. Got our Nevada spillway and the Arizona spillway. Both are built just a little bit lower than the height of the dam. The reason for that is the last thing we want to happen on Lake Mead is the water gets so high that it goes over the top of Hoover. We can't safely manage water that way. We're a power plant, but we also can't provide flood control, and that's our main job. So when Lake's full, instead of going to the top, it flows naturally into the spillways and gets regulated downstream now. They've only been used twice. First time was 1941. First year they filled the lake up, did it intentionally to test everything. Worked out pretty good. Second time was 1983. Now that year the Rocky Mountains had an incredibly large snowpack on the west side, and a lot bigger than they anticipated for the season. Just for pretty much all of our water comes from the west side of the Rockies with snow. From spring to early summer, the river got out of control. The lake actually filled just shy of 7 feet from lower to the top. I have a photo here. But as intended, it went into the spillways, they regulated downstream that way for 63 consecutive days. Saved a ton of property damage downriver, but most importantly, it saved all kinds of lives. Again, that's why the dam was put in, was that flood control. So far, we're doing a pretty good job. Right, guys, that wraps up this part. Got any questions that you guys want to know?
Do you have any questions?
They use, I don't remember how thick, it was 3 or 4 inch really thick steel boiler cakes. Come out like a roller, so they just drop it down and hold them on. The upper half of all 4 we don't use anymore, but the lower halves are repurposed. It's kind of hard to tell by the diagram, but now the spillways actually tie into the outside diversions. Outside intake towers tie into them, and then on the inside into the third tunnel for the inside intake towers. Tried to reuse everything they could. Again, money was the subject there. They just wanted to make the entire project to be as little impact on the people on the river as possible. That's why the goal is to keep us off the tax dollars as much as possible too. So far we're doing all right.
Do you have valves that close off the intake?
Oh yeah, there's redundant systems for virtually everything. We can bypass just about any section. Penstocks are kind of like our Achilles heel. It's not the only thing that we can't replace, just because we're inside the mountain and it's so hard to make. So they go through a pretty heavy duty preventive maintenance program. They just shut down and isolate. Anytime there's a potential to get through the coating on inside or out, they strip it right down so the oxygen water gets to it. So they can
tour guide. Ask him your questions.
You guys got any questions? What do you want to know?
What do you want to know, Thiago? What did you ask me?
I want to know.
What do you want to know?
What is that yellow stuff?
You guys are checking out the diverting water around. The proper word is seep, not leak. We don't like leaking the bad word. Seepage is natural. When Lake Mead's actually full of capacity, there's 45,000 pounds per square foot of pressure on the faces of the canyon walls. Everything's got to pour as water gets through. They do that from at the beginning of the project too. Even inside the dam, we have gutters like these. Collect every drop of water we can. We got our own water treatment facility. We get a treat, it goes right back in the river, so we just waste nothing. That's the unique thing about the Colorado too, is we don't waste any water in the ocean. That's a big game changer for us. Last time Lake Mead full was 2000 basically, just to get over the spillways. Since then, 23 years now, just that lack of snowpack out there, we've been going down on it. But still, since we waste none of the water into it, all the water we've had stored over the years and all that still allows us to do what we do. 60 million people-ish every day get their drinking irrigation water from Colorado. About 30% of the produce in the U.S. comes from our irrigation water down maybe in Southern California. It's an amazing system. If Hoover Dam wasn't here, we would have absolutely been out of water completely 20 odd years ago, just because of the storage system for it and not allowing it to go to the ocean. I'm from Northern California. All my friends, farmer friends and ranchers out there watching billions of gallons of water go to the ocean every day when the reservoirs out there are basically empty. Kind of unique thing is a lot of people get involved with it. Shasta, which is one of the big reservoirs out there, she got filled up in about 4 months. Theoretically, it'd take 20 years to deal with all this average and everything. Yeah, they did it in 4 months. Why? Because people are standing up saying enough of it. It's not fair. The farmers, Northern California, Oregon, and Washington have had record rate of snowfall the past 10, 15 years. Talk to anyone who lives out there. Southern California's got their issues like we do because they get a lot of the water from where we go in the Rockies. California's got the Sierras, all that stuff up there, a ton of water out there. But still, because of what's going on, they're restricting the farmers and ranchers from doing their jobs out there. They're getting their property seized by the states right now because they're not even going to pay the property taxes on their properties right now. It's not fair to them. We got to start holding the people that are doing this accountable and stuff like that. So it's not right.
Do you have a question?
I have a question.
Good. Officially, 96 industrial accidents on site during the project. Kind of accident be on site. You physically had to be killed by the job, on the job, for your family to possibly have the opportunity to petition for death benefits for the loss of the worker. Like say I got ran over by a truck, they took me up to Boulder City and I just passed away up there. You weren't on the job, nothing. Now, we also got, you already tell, we get really hot. Documented temperatures in the tunnels during construction as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So heat stroke, heat exhaustion, rampant. We get off at 5 from now until late October. The cab of my truck's usually about 165 degrees, 5 in the evening. We also had carbon monoxide poisoning issues rampant through there too. Guys were just coming in to the gasoline piece of power engines in the tunnels and either dying on the job site or in the evening or when I got home at night. Every death contributed to carbon monoxide poisoning, heat related, was basically signed off by the company doctors as pneumonia. That's the first process.
Leave her
No
alone.
opportunity for death benefits for the family.
Ask a question.
True number we don't know.
I have a question.
Please don't quote me when I get in trouble for the speculation part. It had been 1,000 or higher. 21,000 people helped build the dam.
Mommy, he
Raised
won't
3,500
let me
people on
ask a
site per day
question.
for almost 5
You need
years.
to be patient and
The math just doesn't work.
Can you ask him my
This is where you learn about the electricity
Ooh.
and the turbines that are on, which generate the power for us, baby. Do you see that? That's where the water is running through, and it spins and it spins and it spins, and it generates power. This is what you wanted to learn about. Wow, baby, is that cool? This is how we get electricity so we can watch YouTube.
Alrighty guys, so right down below we're talking about that rotor. This is one of our rotors. This one came from the Nevada 3 generator. If you look the length of the room on top of the units, you'll see the N1, N2, there's no number 3. That's where this one came from. It's coming out of an overhaul and then we'll repair it or took her back together. Hopefully pretty soon we'll be making juice again. It'll come out of here, we use the bridge drains, put it back over and get it back together the rest of it. We have 8 commercial generators on the Nevada side and we're across the river in Arizona. Each unit's about 70 feet tall. You're going to see the top 30. The rest of those floors. The turbine is the entire rotor, 70 millimeter gas. Not a organization. Each generator can produce up to 130 megawatts of power. That's enough to supply between 64 and 65,000 homes as ABC. Using turbine demand, and the demand for the folks down there what they're asking for dictates how many generators we can run in at a time. So lower demand, less generators, higher demand, higher power production. Full output for the entire facility, if they were all on and the demand for water was there, which is actually pretty rare, just over 1 million homes. Between the rotor and Nevada 1, you'll see the brown object embedded in the floor. It's one of our 2 Pelton water wheel type generators. Got one in each wing. Each of these produce 2.4 megawatts. That's what we use for the in-house electricity here at the dam and surrounding facilities. It's also the very first generator to come online back in 1936. Now to move our equipment, if you look up, kind of check down the length of the room, you see our 2 P&H mobile bridge screens. They're almost back to back right now. Each crane can lift up to 300 ton. You're not sure how much that is. The Statue of Liberty in New York Harbor only weighs 225 ton only. So we can move some really heavy stuff. When it comes to moving a rotor, they use both cranes at the same time. The 600 ton capacity, and you do need it, depending on the model of the rotor, anywhere from just under 540 to just over 600 ton. That's roughly between 50 and 60 modern day school buses. If you're looking down, you're kind of wondering what the big yellow bags are. With the new reassemble, they're actually going to test the weights out of the cranes, so they want to make sure the bridge crane just every time to count the weight instead of picking this up and dropping it on something. That way it'll make sure it's all set up for us. So we're doing a weight test on it right now. Let's see what else we got. Look out the floor we're standing on. You can see some of the beautiful original Art Deco Rosso marble. Marble is made between 1936 and 37 by the merchant family in Hospital about $60,000. Great deal back then. Remodel date we developed in the hills. The employees are relevant to the area, designed by a man named Alan Tucker True. He specializes in Southwest Asian America. He was brought to the project to bring that
Mommy, I'm gonna step on a crack.
Look at the floor.
Mom, I'm gonna step on a crack and tell me, Mommy.
Looking back this way, you're looking back towards Lake Gate. Between Lake and us is the dam, which is right on the other side of the power plant wall. At this level, there's 450 feet of concrete between us and the reservoir, roughly 350 feet, give or take a little bit. Water above our heads on the other side. She stands 726 feet tall, nearly a quarter of a mile wide across from the top, but only 45 feet deep up here at the roadway.
You guys be careful and come over here.
660 feet, which is actually 10 feet longer than the giant river right now. Alright guys, I grabbed some stuff. Grab a couple of photos. I'll see any questions you guys got.
Here, let me get a picture of you guys.
Bye bye chicos. Hasta la vista, babies. Bye.
Stop screaming, Ariella. Mom, let's go. Yeah, let's go. We're gonna walk around outside. It's really hot. We can go over there to the gift shop. Yeah. Hello.
It's an emergency exit.
Oh, okay. Sorry.